NASA says its Curiosity rover has found new evidence that water once flowed on Mars. Scientists say that an ancient stream scattered the gravel and pebbles in these pictures. Now, the agency says the river once ran up to 1 meter deep. This image compares the Mars discovery with similar rocks on Earth.
Sticking out of the ground, it's just another rock. But to NASA scientists, it's as if they've struck gold. The multi-billion-dollar rover has barely begun its investigation of Mars, and already it's found clues to the planet's wet and warm past. Look closely, and the rock is made up of lots of small pebbles, all cemented together. It can mean only one thing.
The key components of these gravels that we're seeing here are, one, the rounded shape, but also the size. These are too large to be transported by wind. The consensus of the science team is that these are water-transported gravels.
The scientists will use their knowledge of how streams move and shape pebbles on Earth to work out what the Martian streams might have looked like. They'll also get the rover to run a series of tests to gauge the likely chemistry of the ancient water streams. That will tell them what the environment was like on Mars billions of years ago.
What makes this discovery so exciting is that this is exactly the reason NASA chose this landing site near the equator to determine whether water ever flowed on this dry, dusty planet. And if so, did life ever exist on Mars? So now they'll command the rover to run chemical and mineralogical experiments. Many scientists believe Mars was once a warm, wet place, but that's not all that's required for life to have existed.
What represents the consensus opinion of the science team that this is a rock that was formed in the presence of water. And we can characterize that water as being a vigorous flow on the surface of Mars.
Wow, a remarkable development indeed. Evidence of an ancient stream bed on the red planet.